I grew up alongside my dad working with power tools. He taught me at a young age to build stuff, and I owe a lot of my knowledge to him. The surf was flat and we just wanted to try something new, and so we saw that body surfing, when you had something on your hand, it was just kind of a whole new experience and added a level of excitement again. A lot of this wood that I use, it's salvaged from either different job sites or projects that I do on the side. That was kind of one of the things that we coined, was it's almost like a recycled stoke. You're making something completely new out of what was considered scrap or trash, and you're getting the full enjoyment out of it. It takes a lot of attention to detail and ultimately creativity as well. You're always trying to imagine something that's curved and has all this complexities to it out of this simple square. We've got a lot of maple and mahoganies and other types of hardwoods where it's always going to match up and be a lot more smooth in its transitions from the stringers to the main body of the blank. In the first stages of exploring these, it did take some R&D and some time to sit down and think of how to plan it all out, making the templates. You'll have hours invested in it just for this one little piece of wood. When I'm shaping the blank, after squaring up the rails, I usually put a little foil at turn up in the nose, so that way it keeps it from catching and pulling your hand under. And then I always throw in a single deep concave throughout the tail. That way it just helps to channel the water. When you're shaping it, it's essentially the same process as a surfboard. Once you start to break into the rail, it's all about keeping it symmetrical. You don't even need to stain these woods, because when you get to clear coat it, it just really highlights and brings out that natural beauty of all of these different types of exotic hardwoods. It's just really cool to see the reactions that people will have when they see something like this and take note of the beauty of all of the quality time that goes into it. When you can actually get into a wave for the first time and you feel kind of the lift and the support it gives you, and when you just line up perfectly, it just helps to give you that satisfaction, and you can relax and enjoy nature for what it is.